We're kind of in a hurry, which is why I'm doing this instead of Dad, but we're on our way to get our camper. Okay, here we are at the Steve's RV, and where is this? Lacombe, technically? Yep, right by the interstate. Dad parked extremely well, you can tell by the lines, but hey, whatever. Going to our lesson. Dad's thrilled. Here it is. This is our camper.
Tongue jack. I don't know which one. Alright. LPCO detector. That's a little black box right here. This is the thing that
This is it. I'm sure Dad will do some sort of in-depth thing. Alright, we got it all hooked up. Well, no, we didn't get it all hooked up. But we're getting ready. Dad's about to back it up. He's about to. You want me to throw this away? Yeah, I'm done with it. This is their shop. This place has all kinds. I'm pretty sure that they are exclusively Jayco. I could be wrong, but I mean, if you need a Jayco camper, I'd say they have you. And there's all the travel trailers are behind all these fifth wheels. And the little Outbacks. Let's go look in here. I love a good camper. These look like they're little, but these must be the high-end little campers. I don't know what this is, but I like the kitchen. Look at that. The only thing ours doesn't have is a medicine cabinet, but we'll manage. Just more stuff to put in. Let's see what this is. I don't know what this one is. Oh, the 221 UMD. Oh, this is a Keystone. I don't know anything about campers. We have the outdoor kitchen. Should be very nice. And the outside TV hookup. I looked in this one. It's nice. Look at the little hummingbird. Yeah, these are like the little. I mean, look at the floor. This is what I like to call a retirement camper. Oh my God, it's leaning so much. Wonder what this does. Oh, oh, that's neat. I'm not gonna know how to. Oh, there we go. That is a cool USBs. Yeah, this is definitely this is what my grandparents need. Hi, Grandma. Their trailer's huge. Let's see what this one is. My Dad is still. No. This is the. Oh God, I don't know. Oh, there's two doors. This is the $2.99 URL. Very nice. I know, that's what Grandma and Grandpa. Well, this is either gonna make the video or it's not. But here we go. He's got that fancy 360 backup camera. So. Oh, look at that. He did. Wow.
Close. See if I can get it.
There we go. He's got a YouTube channel. I'm in charge of filming today. Dad, it's like you've done that before.
It's awesome.
Might have to pull up in here. Oh,
Technology.
Let's try to put it in drop for him.
Alright.
Are you excited, Dad?
Yeah. Yeah.
You better be. This was your idea.
I don't know. It's her idea.
What? We looked in those, Dad. They're like what Grandma and Grandpa need.
Something small.
Yeah, and nice. He made me put this sticker on the other day.
What?
It's the worst sticker I've ever put on. So yeah, we had one of these when I was little.
Step back here for a minute.
It was like a 2002 or 2004. And it's basically the exact same floor plan as the one that we just got. That's one way to do it. This trailer also has, it's prepped for solar, and it also has a prep for, which I think Dad will do, which I'm sure will be another video. It's prepped for backup camera. So, I'm sure that's on his list. Alrighty. Here we go. Wait, I'm gonna take a photo. You wanna take a picture of us in it? We'll take our picture.
Are you videotape? Did you
Yeah.
videotape it with it hooked up?
Yeah, it's still videotaping right now.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
That's what I said, our maiden voyage. What does it feel like when you tell it's back there?
I couldn't tell just coming up here, but it weighs about 5,500 pounds, so.
So that's like lighter than a tractor? Hi, Steve.
So we're at home with the new truck, trailer, and so we're gonna load up some stuff before we go put it in the storage. As you can see, it's the one we went and looked at least showed you all of it. If you need something, go to Steve's RV for sure, and just go from there. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'm sure we'll have more trailer videos and setting up the truck for trailer towing. So thanks for watching.